Applying for a UK visa takes time, effort, and money. And when your application is refused, it can feel like the end of your plans in the UK. But the truth is, refusals are fairly common and it can happen for a wide range of reasons. In many cases, a refusal gives you the chance to prepare a stronger application so your plans are not over. I'm Ice from Siam Legal, and in this video, we will walk you through what to do if your UK visa application is refused. You will learn the most common reasons refusals happened, how to read and understand your refusal letter, and the options available to you afterward, along with some tips to improve your chances the second time around. Let's get started! Refusals are not uncommon when it comes to UK visa applications, and knowing why they happen will help you better identify the issues with your application and address them accordingly. Here are some of the most common reasons. Starting with applying for the wrong visa category. Sometimes applicants apply under the wrong category, which immediately invalidates their application. Next is providing incorrect or incomplete documentation. Missing documents, inconsistencies, or even errors in your application form can lead to a refusal. Many applicants underestimated how strict the UK is when it comes to documentation. Following that reason is not having sufficient funds or providing suspicious bank statement. This means that you either did not provide enough evidence to show that you had the funds to cover your entire stay in the UK, or the bank statement you had submitted had irregularities in fund transfers, which could raise suspicions and lead to a refusal. Another reason is weak ties to your home country. If the Home Office has any reasons to believe that you might not return after your visa has expired, your application will likely be refused. This often happens when you did not provide strong enough evidence of ties to your home country, such as those linked to your family, work, or assets. Other reasons for refusals could be related to your past immigration history and criminal record. Now that you know the common reasons, let's move on to what the refusal letter can tell you. When your visa is refused, the Home Office will send you a refusal letter. This document is extremely important because it tells you why your visa was refused, as well as any rights you may have to challenge it. The letter will normally include the specific requirements you didn't meet, the evidence that was considered insufficient or unclear, and lastly, whether you have the right to an administrative review or appeal. You should consider the refusal letter as direct feedback from the Home Office. For instance, if the refusal is based on missing documents, you know exactly which one to include in your next application. Once you review the refusal letter, you'll need to decide which action to take next. The option available will depend on your visa category and the reason for refusal. In some cases, you may request an administrative review if you believe the decision was made in error. An administrative review is not an opportunity to add new evidence, but rather a request for a different case worker to review whether the original decision was correct. In other cases, such as those for family visas and application for permanent residency in the UK, you may have the option to request for an appeal. An appeal allows you an independent tribunal to examine your case, but this approach can take several months and often requires professional representation. The most common solution to dealing with a visa refusal is simply reapplying. As the refusal letter has already helped point out the weaknesses in your application, you can then move on to reapply with a stronger application. While it may feel discouraging to start over, many applicants are granted visas after submitting a well-prepared second application. If you decide to reapply, you'll now know where to improve your next application to make it as strong as possible and avoid another refusal. That said, here are a few tips to guide you with the preparation. The first is showing financial stability. To do this, you'll need to provide consistent bank statements covering the required period and avoid sudden large deposits without a clear explanation. Second is showing strong ties to your home country. Make sure to submit proof of employment contracts, property ownership, or family commitments, as this clearly demonstrates your intent to return home after the visa expires. Third is preparing complete documentation. Make sure you double-check every document required for your application, as incomplete or inconsistent documents will immediately lead to a refusal. And whether you are traveling to the UK to visit family, study, or for tourism, make sure to also provide supporting evidence to make the purpose of your visits clear. And if you are uncertain of what you need to do when preparing in your application, it is recommended that you get in touch with a UK immigration specialist to guide you through every step of the process. As UK immigration rules tend to change regularly, having an experienced specialist by your side will help you address all the weak points and keep your application up to date. A UK visa refusal can feel discouraging and ruin your plans of traveling to the UK. But with the right help, many applicants succeed on their second try. We at Siam Legal provide complete guidance for clients of all backgrounds applying for a visa to enter the UK. Our team of bilingual UK immigration specialists will help you from start to finish with your application, from reviewing the refusal letter and helping you prepare the application accordingly to submitting it on your behalf to the correct government agencies. By partnering with Siam Legal, you can avoid unnecessary delays and maximize your chances of approval. If you are ready to start your UK visa application or have any other questions about UK visa refusals, contact us via the links in the description below. Also, like and subscribe for more insights into the UK immigration, and thank you for watching our video. สวัสดีค่ะ
Hi, I'm Prel. I'm a team leader of the Foreign Visa Department at Siam Legal. My team and I are here to make your visa journey smooth and stress-free. If you have any questions or just want to talk through your options, don't hesitate to reach out.